In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code in Life 360. First, start by opening the Life 360 app on your device. You will see the familiar home screen, which displays your location and the location of your circle members. This is important because the Life 360 app is designed to keep you connected with your family and friends. By opening the app, you are taking the first step toward joining your circle. You will feel a sense of reassurance as you prepare to connect with others. Next, tap the circle switcher at the top of the screen. This is usually represented by an icon that looks like a group of people or a circle. When you tap on this, you will see a list of circles you are currently a part of or options to join new circles. This step is essential because it allows you to navigate between different circles seamlessly. You will feel confident knowing you are in control of your connections. From there, tap Join a Circle. This option is typically located at the bottom of the circle switcher menu. Selecting this will bring you to the next step in the process. Joining a circle is crucial for sharing your location and staying updated with others in your network. This makes it easier to keep track of loved ones and ensures everyone knows where they are. After that, enter the invite code you received. This code is usually a combination of letters and numbers. It is often provided by the person who invited you to join their circle. Make sure to enter it carefully, as any mistakes could prevent you from joining. This step is significant because it verifies your identity and connects you to the right circle. Take your time to double-check the code to avoid any errors. Now, tap Submit. This action sends your code for verification. You will see a loading indicator while the app processes your request. This step is reassuring because it shows that your information is being checked. It may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the app confirms the code, you will be one step closer to joining your circle. Next, tap Accept to join the circle. When you do this, you are officially added to the circle. You may see a confirmation message on the screen indicating that you are now a member. This is an important step as it solidifies your connection with others in the circle. You will now have access to their locations and updates, enhancing your ability to stay connected. In summary, each of these steps is designed to streamline the process of joining a circle in Life 360. By following these instructions, you ensure that you stay connected with your loved ones. The app is a powerful tool for maintaining family safety and communication. With your circle established, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing where your family and friends are at all times. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you easily add a code in Life 360.